Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by sanitizing the metal file and your hands so you avoid infections. Once done, trim nails to a short working length and remove any snagging edges. Position the file at the chosen angle, about 45 degrees for a rounded profile or nearly 90 degrees for straight edges, and make a single direction stroke from the outer corner toward the center. Make sure to use steady, light pressure. Repeated back and forth motions can split the nail, so avoid sawing. You continue by refining the shape with longer single direction strokes, completing 2 to 4 passes per side rather than many short scrubs. As you go, rotate the file gently to follow the nail's natural curve so the edge remains consistent and smooth. Once you have basic symmetry, lightly buff the free edge using the file's finer side to remove micro roughness. Make sure to check both hands often under bright light to keep shapes matched and prevent overfiling one side. You finish by softening the edge with a final light pass on the file's fine surface or a soft buffer, then clean any filings away. Apply cuticle oil and a moisturizer to restore hydration and reduce brittleness. This helps nails hold their shape longer. If you notice splitting or peeling, stop immediately. Soak nails in lukewarm water for a few minutes, trim damaged sections, and switch to very gentle single-direction filing. Make sure to disinfect the metal file after use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.